We mistake movement for progress. We chase busy instead of building meaning. You scroll, plan, optimize, but never actually do the thing. Deep down, you know this, but you don't change because your habits feel safe. And safe feels better than growth, at least for now. The real reason you're not evolving? You've been trying to upgrade your life without upgrading yourself. So here's how to fix it. Step 1, burn the fake progress. Stop tracking things that don't matter. Stop journaling goals you'll never revisit. Cut the fluff. Clarity creates space for real action. Start with one question. What is one action today that your future self would thank you for? Then do that, nothing else. Step 2, interrupt the loop. Change happens when patterns break. Do something different right now. Take a cold shower. Walk without your phone. Say no. Say yes. Shake your system. Evolution doesn't wait for comfort. It begins when you create friction with who you've been. Step 3, rebuild identity first. Stop asking, what should I do? Start asking, who do I want to become? Every action is a vote for that version of you. The confident one, the disciplined one, the free one. Build from identity, not guilt, not shame, not pressure. Because if your goals aren't built on who you believe you are, they will always collapse. You don't need another productivity hack. You need a reset. Burn the noise, break the loop, build the identity. Here's your challenge. Pick one small action that reflects who you want to be. Do it today, not tomorrow, not next Monday. Because if you're not evolving by choice, you're devolving by default. Your future is waiting. Light the match.